Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Kia Rio versus VW Polo. We'll dive into their core differences, helping you understand which vehicle might better suit your needs. We'll start by looking at their engine options and overall performance. Then, we'll explore their interiors, focusing on comfort and available technology. Finally, we'll review their safety features and driver assistance systems, giving you a complete picture of each car. When it comes to performance, the Kia Rio typically features a 1.6-liter inline-4 engine, producing around 120 horsepower. This provides adequate power for daily driving and good fuel efficiency, often achieving over 30 miles per gallon combined. The Volkswagen Polo offers a variety of engine choices, including a 1.0-liter TSI turbo petrol engine, known for its balance of power and fuel economy. Both cars offer a comfortable and stable ride, suitable for city commutes and longer journeys. Inside, the Kia Rio provides a straightforward and user-friendly cabin. It often comes standard with an 8-inch touchscreen display, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The Volkswagen Polo boasts a more premium feel, with a digital cockpit and an 8-inch or optional 9.2-inch infotainment touchscreen. Both vehicles prioritize practicality, offering comfortable seating for 5 and respectable cargo capacities, with the Rio hatchback providing 325 liters of boot space. In terms of safety, both the Kia Rio and Volkswagen Polo are well regarded. The Kia Rio has earned good safety ratings from organizations like the EASE and Euro NCAP, offering features such as advanced airbags and available driver assistance systems. The Volkswagen Polo consistently achieves 5-star Euro NCAP safety ratings, highlighting its strong occupant protection and advanced safety technologies. Both cars represent excellent value in the compact segment. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.